Hey guys, so welcome back to today's video. Today we're going to be doing our live Glam unboxing, which is our Morphe Me subscription service. Sometimes I do these, sometimes I don't. I feel like I've been flaking a little bit because they've been coming a little bit later than normal. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick spiel on Morphe Me, just because I get a lot of questions about this quite often. Basically, Morphe has a subscription service that you guys can pay for, and I believe it's somewhere around $19 to $21 a month. It's really awesome if you guys are wanting to expand your brush collection. I definitely would recommend it. I have so many brushes from Morphe because I've been a part of this service for a little over 2 years now, I want to say, something crazy like that. So I love it. I get to try out a lot of different lines from their brush collections, so then I can kind of narrow down which lines I like better, and that's about it. If you guys want to know a little bit more about it, or you guys want more details, and you guys want to check it out for yourself, I'm going to have it linked down below. Don't be scared. It's going to take you to Live Glam. Live Glam is where you would do your service for, so it's not going to take you to the Morphe site. You're going to go to Live Glam, set it up there. It's legit. Don't worry. So let's get diving into this unboxing for the month of June. You guys, look at the barrels this month. This is like that gold plated barrel. My goodness, I love it. This here is the Morphe Y1, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is like perfect for bronzer, like just full on bronzer or setting the face. I was actually wanting to get a new bronzer brush, and I feel like this is perfect. Even for like blush, I think this would be amazing. So this here is the Y7, which is called their round buffer. And this is a lot better than some of the other round buffers that they have, I feel like, from their lines. This one, I feel like it's round and it's like a little bit more compact, but the bristles still give a little bit of like flexibility. So I feel like this would be the perfect brush to use for foundation. And then the last brush we have here is the Morphe Y12. I actually have quite a few of these that look exactly like this. This one says that you can use it to kind of do the perfect contour. I myself lately, if you guys have been watching any of my tutorials, I mentioned this before, but I've really not been doing a lot of contour. I've been really just bronzing up my skin and calling it good, because you guys can probably tell, but I have pretty defined cheekbones as is. So sometimes I've noticed, just like looking back at my videos and stuff, that contouring just sometimes is not the best option for me. Like, yes, I will do it if I'm kind of wanting to play around, but lately I've been all about that bronze life and just calling it good. Although if I was to use a brush like this, I definitely think that I would use it for like chiseling out my contour, kind of like using translucent powder to buff it out. This is perfect for right around the nose area if you guys like to do nose contour. That's really all I honestly think you could use this for. But like I said, I have like 2 or 3 of these, so I'll probably put this away in my little box of brushes, and then once I, get done with the other ones, I'll use this one. I love the gold. The gold of this is really pretty. Yes, this month we're only getting a set of 3 brushes, but I will tell you right now that the price point of these brushes are always more than what you actually pay for the bag itself. So sometimes you'll get 3, sometimes you'll get 6, sometimes you'll get just face brushes, sometimes you'll get just eye brushes, sometimes you'll even get both. You never know what you're gonna get, but it's kind of fun because sometimes you get brushes that you're like, wow, I never thought that, I would use a brush like this. So anyways, I hope you guys like this unboxing, and if you guys are already got your bag, let me know if you guys like your brushes or if you guys are still waiting for them. Otherwise, make sure to subscribe before you guys head out. Hit that notification bell if you haven't yet, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.